Hi, this is Joe from STL Beds. Today we'll be running through the assembly for our heavy-duty bed frame line that will include the K43WB, which has 9 legs, the Q33WB, which also has 9 legs, the F23WB, which has 7 legs, and the T13WB, which has 6 legs. When you purchase a frame from us, it will ship very quickly. It will arrive in a box like this. When you get this box, it will be left at your doorstep. Go ahead and open it up and you'll have all the parts. Once you open your package, you will have all your parts. You'll have your 2 side rails with the headboard mounting brackets attached to those. You'll have your feet. Depending upon which frame you go with will depend upon how many feet you'll have. You'll have 6 pairs of bolts and nuts, your end caps for your side rails to put on the end of the frame, and then 3 crossbars. And again, depending upon which frame you have, it will depend upon how many feet you'll have. So the first order of business is to take your foot and attach it into the steel feet. So what you'll do is take the foot, push it on there, and you'll have to push down. You'll have to use some tension, but it will just slide in there. And you'll do that with all the feet you have. Once you have all the feet attached to the center support bars, next we want to move to the side rails. So we'll take and lay our side rails out. Remember, that is the headboard bracket, so we'll put that toward the headboard end. So we have our side rail laid out there. We'll take this side rail, place it over here. Our next step is to attach the center support bar to the side rails. So we'll take our side rail. Please note this clip. The side rail will pick up, clips, and we'll line that up with the hole in the side rail. Take your bolt and your nut, put the bolt in, and tighten that nut on the bottom. Please repeat the following for the other side and then for the other 2 bars. Once you have the center support bars installed, you want to take your end caps and slide them on the ends of the frame. And complete that on both sides. Lastly, you'll take your pliers and a flathead screwdriver and just go through and tighten all the bolts and nuts. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please give me a call, 888-785-2337.